The best YouTrip multi-currency trick is not about holding many currencies, it is about timing and conversion control. YouTrip gives you the power to decide when your money converts, and that is where most users lose or save dollars. When you load money into YouTrip, it stays in your base wallet until you manually exchange it. The mistake many people make is letting automatic conversion happen during payment. When you pay in a foreign currency without pre-converting, YouTrip converts at the live rate at that exact moment. That rate can move fast, especially during weekends, holidays, or market volatility. A small shift can quietly cost you dollars across multiple transactions. The real trick is converting ahead of time when rates are favorable. Watch the exchange rate inside the app for the currency you plan to spend. When the rate improves even slightly, convert a larger amount once instead of letting small payments convert repeatedly. One clean conversion beats 10 unpredictable ones. Another powerful move is using YouTrip as a currency holding tool. If you know you will travel or spend online in USD, Euro, or GBP later, convert early and lock the rate. This protects your money from sudden drops and keeps your budget stable. This is especially useful for subscriptions, hotel bookings, and online services priced in foreign currencies. YouTrip also avoids foreign transaction markups that many banks quietly add. By paying directly from the correct currency wallet, you eliminate extra conversion layers that drain value. Every avoided markup is money saved. The difference between a casual user and a smart user is control. Control the timing, control the currency, and control the rate. Used this way, YouTrip stops being just a travel card and becomes a simple tool for protecting and stretching your dollars across borders.